Welcome back to our AIGeniusX YouTube channel. A YouTube channel specializing in sharing knowledge about applying AI technology to your daily work. I wish you a good day. In today's lesson we will learn about a short video niche that is very viral right now on TikTok and other short video platforms. That is the topic. AI glass ASMR videos is very hot and viral on YouTube, TikTok. To prove what I say, I will take the following TikTok channel example to help you visualize. As you can see, the TikTok channel is about AI glass ASMR videos and has achieved millions of views for each video. A huge number. And you can absolutely make videos like this because the method is extremely simple and AI is free. I'm not mistaken, it's completely free. With the Canva AI tool, you can completely do that. We will not need to spend a large amount of money to buy from Google VO3 website. Now you will use Canva AI to do that. Now let's go into the detailed practice. First you must have a Canva Pro account, then you can use Canva AI. Don't worry about that because Canva lets you use the Pro package for 1 month without any cost, and signing up for a Pro trial is also very simple. After creating a new account, just click Upgrade Your Plan and select the Pro trial package as follows. Now you enter your personal payment information and you're done. Don't worry, you won't be charged any fees. You can cancel your renewal immediately after completing. After you successfully create an account, we will learn about the Canva AI video tool here. Go to the Canva homepage and you will see a Canva AI section. Click on it to see more detailed functions, including the Create a Video Clip function. This is the Canva AI video feature that I want to talk about today. It's called Create a Video Clip. This is the Canva AI video feature that I want to talk about today. It's called Create a Video Clip. One thing you need to note to activate the Create a Video Clip feature in Canva AI is that you must change the language in Canva to English US. The purpose of this is to activate the Canva AI video function. Next I will set up some basic parameters for Canva AI video as follows about frame rate and output video duration. Next, you will have to create a Canva AI video prompt to enter in the video prompt section. Specifically, we will learn how to create AI glass ASMR videos prompt with ChatGPT. We will go back to ChatGPT to create AI glass ASMR video prompt. I will use ChatGPT and execute the following commands to create an AI glass ASMR video prompt. Please pay attention to follow. As you can see, I asked ChatGPT to develop ideas for different fruit AI glass ASMR videos based on a sample prompt. And the recipe is just to change the type of fruit to be able to give more diverse AI glass ASMR prompts. Please see the results. Pay attention here, this is the formula to create the AI glass ASMR video prompt. Let's wait and see the result. So we have some first results, but ChatGPT is abbreviated, so I will ask for a full and complete rewrite. I will execute the command again to have more options, prompt other types of fruit so we can choose the best one. The commands are still the same as before, nothing has changed. So these are the results I wanted. We have completed creating the AI glass ASMR video prompt. Next step, we will use these prompts to create videos with Canva AI. For example, I will copy this prompt template and go back to Canva AI to create an AI glass ASMR video. So we have the first result, please take a look. The first result for the lemon everything looks okay, however I need the slices to be separated better, so we should try to recreate the video several times to get the best result. Similarly, I will do the same with some remaining prompt templates. It's very easy to do, so follow along and practice with me. Pretty good, I like it. You should choose fruits with dark colors to stand out more. I will continue with other prompts. Pretty cool, you can do it multiple times to get the best results. So that's it, I've shown you how to make AI glass ASMR videos with Canva AI video. Hope this video is useful for you. If you find the video interesting, please subscribe to the channel and share it to help me have more motivation to make better new videos.